Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your sport mode in your 2017 Honda Civic Si. So, in order to access this feature, we must go to the shifter. And once we get to the shifter, there should be a button right here on the bottom right side of the center console that says Sport. And once you click on that, let me show you. It's gonna tell you that the engine response and the suspension have been stiffened up, so therefore giving you a more sporty feeling. And yeah, that is pretty much it, giving you the best engine response out of the vehicle so you could drive this car as best as you could. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.